Yeah, we have a question today about totems
Mm-hmm.
and if they're relevant. They're actually asking about a specific area in Perth.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe if you just want to talk generally about totems and then how you find out about
Yeah.
totems in your area.
Well, totems is the wrong word because that's from Native American languages. We say dreamings. So it's the same principle, though. So it's your dreamings, and your dreamings that I wrote about in my book, Journey into Dreamtime, are your dreamings that are passed on through family or an individual dreaming. And they're like spirit guides in a sense that guide you through life and help you cope with life. So particular totems will emphasize particular talents or skills or strengths that totem can give you, that dreaming can give you, I should say. The question was about the eastern hills of Perth. Now you're talking about Noongar country, and so they were wanting to find out more about the totems in that area, the dreamings. You'd be best placed talking to a Noongar person who's from that area that can maybe talk about that. How much they share is up to that individual person or a group if you're talking to a group. But I'd best go along and ask some Noongar people like Uncle Richard Wally, for instance, or some other respected elder in the community to find out about dreamings in that area.
So good luck with that research, and we've got the Journey into Dreamtime on the. You might want to grab a copy of that if you don't. Go well.
Yeah.